Lasagna with Mr. Alzheimer Creations, and today I come to you with another unboxing from Diamond Art Club. And today I got this huge box. This huge box. This is super huge, and that's because I have 3 in here. So of course I'm do one at a time. I don't like to do too many. I like to do one at a time. So I'm just gonna pull one out. Oh, and it is this one here. It is a square and is an Into Wonderland. I was debating about this one, and I said, you know what? You like it. Go ahead and get it, dog. Stop playing. Girl, guys, I have so many coming in, and I just ordered 2 more from the release they just did. And oh my gosh, I'm just a crazy person. So and I've noticed I have stopped ordering from the other guys besides Ever Moment. I'm trying to get it unboxed, guys. Woo, there we go. And so I'm just gonna stick with this for a while. Oh my goodness, dog, you are going crazy. I have actually gone bukus over my Diamond Art Club. Alright, let's put that box there. This is a square. So, you do know, we get the normal toolkit for a square. You get the very sharp tweezers, baggies, your 2 things of hard wax, your squishy for your pen, and I think there's a multi-placer in here. Yep. There is a multi-placer under there. It's 4-piece. So that's an awesome kit. Here's the little extra sticker. And here we go, guys. OMG. Just looking at this picture, you can tell there are some glow in the dark. Here and here. I think there's glow in the dark. I might be wrong. I might have saw someone do it and put glow in the dark, but we're gonna see. If there's not, I have plenty. I know y'all seen my video where I got all that those new drills. So if it's not, I will be adding glow in the dark here and here whenever I do this kit. It'll probably next Halloween, probably. I don't know. Whenever I want to. So there are 49 beautiful colors, and this is by JoJo's Art. That's the artist. It is a 51 by 71, which is 20 by 28 inches. It is a square. Beautiful. Into Wonderland. Let's get into this baby. I have got to see. I got piles and piles of boxes over here, guys. She's just going to get hung up. Okay, y'all know this comes with the step-by-step instructions. Go ahead and read it, guys. Once you read it one time, it's got a lot of helpful information, and it has a coupon code. We're going to go ahead and flip this, roll it the other way. This is poured glue, so it can take you flipping it the other way. When you do it this way, it gets flat. And I love how Diamond Art Club does this scallop edge with the sewing there. And that stops it from fraying, guys. So you won't get that. I forgot I got all this stuff under here. Let me move it out of the way. Because when we start pushing this back, I don't want stuff falling. I forgot I put that under there. Here are the drills labeled. We'll look at those in a second. Look at this baby. Okay. Look at that. OMG. And I can already tell we're going to be living that 310 life. It looks like it's black. All that black there. But look at that. OMG, guys. Let me keep going up so y'all can see the other part of her, Alice. And I absolutely love that you can see the signs here. Here, there, right, this way, left, up. Look at these cute, is these mushrooms? Yeah, look like mushrooms. Got a butterflies. Oh my goodness. This is adorable. All right, we're going to do that. Oh, come on now. Diamond Art Club fashion. Come on now. Look at that beautiful drill fill. Come on now. We know that's going to be good. And she's already straight. But y'all know I like to do that. Lift it up. Oh, beautiful. Flatten her out. There is the thumbnail again. Shows you the pasting area. There's the information about it. JoJo's Art by Diamond Art Club. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. Got the schematics on this side, the left top, and the bottom right. I'm gonna flip it around, and this is a nice size, guys. It's not too big and not too little. It's a very nice size. I like to do that to get it to be flatter when I hang it up. Y'all know I hang up all my canvases. Yeah, so let's flip this baby over and let's look at these gorgeous drills. Let's see what kind of life we're gonna be living with this one here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to see how many they did. Let's see how many trains we have. Got 1, 2, 3 trains. Let's get into these babies. Wow. So, it doesn't look like it's 310. This is a very, very dark blue. It looks almost black. 939, that is a very dark blue. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. OMG. Very nice, very nice. And then we got 2 of 823. That's another dark blue. And we are living that 310 life. We are. I thought it was the blue. 310. That's that black. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, guys. 6 310. So yeah, we're living that 310 life. Then we got 803, 992, 312, 3814. Ooh, that teal is beautiful. 993. AB, guys. Here we go. 141. We always get 141 in our kits with Diamond Art Club. I absolutely love this white. I'm going to have a ton of this white. But it is very shiny. Look at how that shine is, that AB coating, guys. Beautiful. That first train. Let's get to the second one. And then we're getting into these teals. Look at this beautiful teal there. 775, 3811. Am I too close? No. 3799. That's a gray. That's a dark gray. 890, a green. 938, 413, 3371, 519. That beautiful blue. Some more teals. 598, 991. Look at that one. 334, 317, 699. That's probably for the trees. 414, 322, 780, 550. I love this purple for 550. I love it. Ooh, I got ABs for that. Ooh, let's see where those go. 597, 898, 779. Oh, and there's a round done snuck in there, guys. They want to be a part of this canvas, too. Then the last train is the smallest bags. 3841 is a blue. 318, 3826, 327. Oh, look at this. 137 AB. It's not a lot of it, but oh my goodness. Look at that shine. Look at that beautiful color, guys. That's like a teal, but it's like a dark turquoise teal. With that AB finish. OMG. That is beautiful. 815, 814, 3787, 977, 3861, 3755, 976, 400. Whoa. Yeah, these are very tiny. 37, 83, 30, 24, 7, 44. Look at that yellow. 7, 83, 9, 7, 2, 7, 8, 2, and 8, 32. Wow, and I think these bags are even smaller than I remember before. So let's turn the canvas over and let's see where these ABs go, guys. I'm excited to see that. So of course, number 1 and number 2 are the ABs. We only got 2 ABs this time. Majority of the time, that's what you get in the kit is 2. It's a treat when you get more than 2. I think the max I've seen is 3 ABs, but you can always add your own ABs, guys. I did that haul on where I got my extra AB drills. So looking at this schematics here, this sticker, 1 is a blue, 2 is that white, guys. So 137, 141. So let's look at 137, which is that beautiful blue, number 1. Let's see where number 1s are. I'm looking at the blue, because you know that's where it is. But I don't see 1s. Really? There's no 1s here? Wow. I don't see any 1s here. These are different blues. Oh, man. Well, I do see 2s here in the eyes. There's 2s here in the eye, right here. But I do not see 1s. Okay, here we go. I see 1 here, just a few sprinkled there. Wow, that's why you only got a small bag, because I do not see 1s. I see a whole bunch of pound signs. Oh, now I see why. It's down here where Alice is. So, all around her are 2s. That 2 AB, all of this are the AB 141 around Alice. Beautiful. Then the 1s, there's some 2s here, 2s here. Then the number 1s are outlining her dress. So it's like 1 inside her dress. Right here. Beautiful. Then we also have 2s outlining the mushrooms here. The ABs right here. That white that you see here, that is the number 2. So it's mostly in the bottom. So let me show a closer look. If y'all can see that, all this is the number 2, guys. And then around her dress, you can see the 1s here. So yeah, this one is a beauty. And I think this would be great to kit up and start next year for Halloween. It just gives me that Halloween vibe. Spookiness. And then of course there's no glow in the dark, but I'm thinking I will. See this color here? It just reminds me of the glow in the dark. And the eyes and the whiskers. So I may substitute that color, that teal color, for the ABs. So the glow in the dark. So y'all let me know what you think about Into Wonderland. 49 Colors by JoJo's Art. So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.